Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Today is día de elecciones y no podría estar más emocionado. So I'm trying my Spanish off the top of my head today. So I'm going to try it one more time. Es día de elecciones, no podría estar más emocionado. So I hope and I think and I pray that I said it's election day and I couldn't be more excited. Es día de elecciones y no podría estar más emocionado. Okay? It is election day, y'all. If you are in the U.S. watching this, please make sure you get out and go vote today. I early voted October 21st in Texas. I feel good. Now we are just waiting for this evening to see the results and to see the votes come rolling in, because y'all know I am 100% voting blue down the ballot. I am fingers crossed that Harris and Ross are going to be our new president and vice president. We are not going back. We cannot entertain any more foolishness, and that's just one of the reasons why I live here in the Dominican Republic. But I will always be a U.S. citizen, so I always have elections as a priority for me. So one more time, es día de elecciones y no podría estar más emocionado. Más emocionado. Okay, so I think I said it's election day and I couldn't be more excited. So I thank y'all for tuning in every day to our Spanish, and regular episodes are every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button and turn on your notification bell. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and we appreciate all of you that support the U.S. going blue on this beautiful day, election day in the United States. All right, talk to y'all tomorrow.